Hi my fellow curlies, I'm Curly Rhonda, and today I'm going to be making for you a shea butter mixture for my hair. Right now I have about 2-day-old 2-strand twist in, and I want to keep them moisturized, and I know water is the best moisturizer, so I'll probably be spritzing with water and then putting this mixture in. I'm going to start it out with some African shea butter that I ordered off of Amazon.com. But once I got the package in the mail, there's a website that says that you can go straight to bodybutterstore.com and order it directly from the vendor. And I have some jojoba oil or jojoba, whatever you want to call it, oil that I'm going to add to it, and some extra virgin olive oil that I'm going to put in, and at the very end I'm going to put in some peppermint oil to cut down on the smell, and it's very good for your scalp. Gets the blood flowing, makes your hair smell good, and all that good stuff. So the shea butter is kind of thick. I'm not going to melt it or anything ahead of time because I don't want it to be really runny. I'm going to scoop out 4 tablespoons of that, and it's hard as a brick, so it's actually coming up a lot better than I thought it would. A lot easier, I should say, than I thought it would. So, if you can see, I'm going to dump the first one in there. It's very nutty smelling. And I bent my tablespoon, so I'm pretty sure that's not a full tablespoon, so it's my second one. It doesn't have to be exact. It's my third one. And my last scoop of shea. Let's see here. I hope this turns out well, you guys. I'm really excited about it. Okay, so now I'm going to add just 1 tablespoon of the jojoba oil. And 1 tablespoon of my olive oil. Now it's time to make some magic. And I'm just using my food processor that I got at Kroger. I think I paid 10-20 bucks for it. Let's go. Here we go. And I have some little Rubbermaid containers that I'm going to put this in with a top. It's very creamy. And it's going to be just the size that I want it to be for this container. It's probably going to make this container half full. And I wanted to mix it up just a little bit more. And then I'll show you the consistency. Here we go. Okay. So let's scoop out a little bit. And if you can see, it's still kind of thick, but creamy. And that's all. Thanks for watching.